APC in Ekiti.
Yes, sir.
Is there any competition?
Are you underrating the
I'm not aware. I'm not aware of any competition in Ekiti. Now, the APC in Ekiti, as well as in other parts of the country, in my modest estimation, is very solid. So the APC is the party to beat anyway in this election. And that's a no-brainer. Everybody knows that. In Ekiti, the APC is a party to beat, just like in other parts of the country, and especially in the southwest as well. APC is the party to beat. You can't have a Tinubu as president and be worrying your head over somebody voting another party in Ekiti or in anywhere in the southwest. That would be incongruous with party behavior, political behavior.
But what are the challenges you're facing, you're anticipating? Challenges that you're anticipating?
In the elections?
Yes, sir.
The only challenge I would perhaps be apprehensive of, the Governor Yebanji has laid such fares. Even right now, in the hall, he did say that there are over 10,000 canvassers, who will mobilize for the party. And that's very critical in electioneering. I've been a participant observer in electioneering in this country since 1979. So I know what I'm talking about. When you have, and that's why a lot of the clowns in politics we have in this country always receive the shorter end of the stick after elections, because they will be so loud in the media, especially on social media, and they will fall short on the field, because elections are not won on social media. Elections are won right on the field, voting through ballot, participatory democracy, not sloganeering or spewing out inanities and rhetorics on social media. No. So the ability and capacity to mobilize on election day is always a challenge. But the Governor Yebanji has allayed such fears. So I'm fully confident.
Thank you.